Loyal brothers sweet, true to self and to each other, burn in loyalty, daily working, daily striving, evermore to be men of Alpha Phi Omega.
Makabutan, hindi ko tapos.
Fraternity, brothers, that's the hands of brothers from the circle we, ever mindful, ever serving all humanity. Now we raise our grateful voices in our song to thee. Men of Alpha Phi Omega, may we always be.
Lord, teka lang, bago natin Brother Pieces, may message lang from our grandchild, Lord. Sa mga Brad Sisters na nakarating, maraming salamat. Next year ulit!